Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 6 divided by 12 or 12 divided by 6. Now we solve it. So first of all we write is fraction. So 6 divided by 12 and divided by 12 divided by 6. So first we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. Numerator is 6 divided by 12 and the denominator is 12 divided by 6. So first we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. So they give us 6 divided by 12, they give us 1 over 2 divided by 12 divided by 6, they give us 2, or we write as 2 divided by 1. So we solve it by the rules of KCF. K means keep first fraction, C means change division to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. So we keep first fraction 1 over 2 and division change to multiplication and flip the second fraction, so they give us 1 over 2. So 1 ones are, they give us 1, and 2 times 2 they give us 4. So the final answer is 1 over 4, or 0.25. So the final answer is 0.25. Thanks for watching.